Did you say that's true?
It's true.
Walk past him, walk past him.
Let me lick the pan. Iron Man. Oh, you don't want it?
No, I don't know why she said dogs eat bread.
Why should say dog does eat?
I have no idea. She probably just wanted you to buy the bread. Dog don't eat bread.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Don't be rude. Eat it first and you'll get more.
Struggling. You don't want that.
Too dry or what?
Yeah.
Need to give him some water. Alright. Oh! Oh! You want more? Yeah. Where the chicken and them going? Oh God, my toe fall out this slipper.
The what?
My toe, it's come out this slipper. You going first one?
Maybe.
And it's time to share for her. Come, you eat too. You get enough. None for you. Oh, she's so hungry, babe.
Yeah.
She's so hungry.
She was dancing. Pause, pause. Woo!
You
Woo!
want some more foodie? You want some more foodie? Yes, you want some foodie? You want some foodie? Oh my God, babe, she's biting my fingers.
Be careful.
I need it to be bigger. You want some foodie? You had a whole lot. I know that. You fed up of it. I'll give her the big pieces and I'll give him little nibbles. Here. Oh, look how hungry. Here, you take it back. You eat plenty already. And he was wasting the bread. Watch how grateful.
Wasting.
Watch how grateful she is. She eat the sandy piece too. Come, come.